When people decide they want to lose weight or get healthier, the first thing most of them think about is the gym. They imagine intense workouts, sweating on a treadmill, lifting heavy weights, or spending an hour doing cardio machines. For many people, the gym becomes the center of their entire health plan. But what if the gym isn't actually the most important factor for burning calories and losing fat? What if the small movements you make throughout your day matter even more than that 1-hour workout? This is where something called NEAT comes in. NEAT stands for Non-Exercise Activity Thermogenesis, and it refers to the energy your body burns through everyday movements that are not considered structured exercise. This includes things like walking around your house, standing while working, cleaning, cooking, fidgeting, taking the stairs, carrying groceries, or even pacing while talking on the phone. These activities may seem small and insignificant on their own, but when combined throughout the entire day, they can burn a surprising number of calories and play a massive role in your overall health and fat loss. The reason NEAT is so powerful is because of how much time it occupies in your day. Think about it for a moment. A typical workout might last between 30 minutes and an hour. Even if you are very dedicated, you might go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week. That is great, but when you compare that to the number of hours you are awake each day, it becomes clear that exercise is only a tiny fraction of your daily life. Most people are awake for around 16 hours every day. If you exercise for 1 hour, that means 15 hours are spent doing everything else. Those 15 hours are where NEAT happens. If most of those hours are spent sitting in a chair, lying on a couch, or remaining relatively inactive, your overall calorie burn will remain fairly low, no matter how intense your workout is. This is one of the biggest misconceptions about fat loss. Many people believe that the gym alone is responsible for burning large amounts of calories. They assume that if they just work out hard enough, they can offset the rest of their sedentary lifestyle. Unfortunately, that rarely works. For example, a typical gym workout might burn somewhere between 200 and 500 calories depending on intensity and body size. While that may sound like a lot, it can easily be undone by a few high-calorie snacks or drinks. On the other hand, increasing your daily movement through NEAT can add hundreds of extra calories burned every single day without feeling like structured exercise at all. Researchers studying metabolism have discovered that NEAT varies dramatically from person to person. Some people naturally move a lot throughout the day. They stand up frequently, walk around often, gesture while talking, and rarely stay still for long periods. Other people tend to remain seated most of the day and move very little unless they intentionally exercise. The difference between these two lifestyles can result in hundreds or even thousands of calories burned per day. In fact, some studies have shown that people with high levels of daily movement can burn up to 2,000 more calories per day than those who are extremely sedentary. That difference alone can determine whether someone gains weight over time or maintains a healthy body composition. Another reason NEAT is so important is that it is sustainable. Many people struggle to maintain intense workout routines for long periods of time. Life gets busy, motivation fluctuates, and schedules change. When exercise feels like a chore or punishment, it becomes harder to stick with consistently. Daily movement, however, is different. It doesn't require a gym membership, special equipment, or a specific time slot in your schedule. It simply involves being more active throughout your regular routine. Walking more, standing more, moving more often, and reducing long periods of sitting can become natural habits that fit easily into everyday life. Think about how people used to live several decades ago before modern technology made life so convenient. Many daily tasks required physical effort. People walked to more places, performed more manual chores, and spent less time sitting in front of screens. Today, technology has made it possible to accomplish almost everything while sitting down. We work on computers, order food from apps, shop online, drive everywhere, and entertain ourselves with streaming services or social media. While these conveniences are helpful, they have drastically reduced the amount of movement in our daily lives. As a result, many people have become far more sedentary than previous generations. This shift towards sedentary living has had a significant impact on health and body weight. Sitting for long periods not only reduces calorie burn but can also affect metabolic health. Studies have linked excessive sitting to increased risk of obesity, heart disease, and metabolic disorders. Even individuals who exercise regularly may still experience negative effects if they remain sedentary for the rest of the day. In other words, going to the gym for 1 hour does not completely cancel out the effects of sitting for the other 15 hours. One of the easiest ways to improve NEAT is simply by walking more. Walking is one of the most natural forms of movement for the human body. It requires no special skills and can be done almost anywhere. Even short walks throughout the day can significantly increase daily calorie burn. For example, taking a 10-minute walk after meals, walking during phone calls, or choosing stairs instead of elevators can add up quickly. Over the course of a week or month, these small choices can create a large difference in energy expenditure. Standing instead of sitting can also increase NEAT. While standing doesn't burn dramatically more calories than sitting, it does engage more muscles and encourages small movements like shifting weight or adjusting posture. Many people who use standing desks report that they naturally move more throughout the day compared to when they sit continuously. Even alternating between sitting and standing every 30 minutes can help reduce prolonged inactivity. Household chores are another powerful but often overlooked source of NEAT. Activities such as cleaning, vacuuming, gardening, organizing, cooking, and doing laundry all require movement. While these tasks may not feel like exercise, they still contribute to calorie burn and physical activity. In fact, spending an hour doing household chores can burn a similar number of calories to a light gym workout. Fidgeting is another interesting aspect of NEAT. Some people naturally tap their feet, shift positions frequently, or move their hands while talking. These small movements may seem trivial, but they can contribute to daily energy expenditure. Research suggests that people who fidget more tend to burn significantly more calories than those who remain completely still for long periods. Over the course of an entire day, these tiny movements can add up. One reason NEAT is so effective for fat loss is that it spreads calorie burning throughout the entire day rather than concentrating it into a short workout session. When you rely only on exercise, your body burns calories during that specific period, but the rest of the day may remain relatively inactive. With higher levels of NEAT, your body is consistently using energy across many hours. This continuous movement can create a larger total calorie burn without requiring extreme effort. Another benefit of focusing on daily movement is that it often improves consistency. Many people struggle with the all-or-nothing mindset when it comes to fitness. They believe that if they can't do a full workout, it's not worth doing anything at all. This thinking can lead to inactivity on busy days. When you prioritize NEAT, every bit of movement counts. A short walk, a few extra trips up the stairs, or standing while working all contribute to your overall activity level. Increasing NEAT can also help reduce the psychological pressure associated with exercise. Some individuals feel intimidated by the gym environment or worry that they are not fit enough to participate in intense workouts. Daily movement removes this barrier because it focuses on simple, accessible actions that anyone can do. Walking around your neighborhood or cleaning your home doesn't require athletic ability or special training. Another fascinating aspect of NEAT is how it can influence appetite and energy balance. Intense workouts sometimes increase hunger significantly, which can make it difficult for some people to maintain a calorie deficit. Moderate daily movement, on the other hand, tends to have a more balanced effect on appetite. Because the activity is spread throughout the day and often less intense, it may be easier to maintain consistent eating habits. This doesn't mean the gym is useless. Structured exercise still offers many important benefits. Strength training helps build muscle, improve bone density, and support long-term metabolism. Cardiovascular exercise improves heart health, endurance, and overall fitness. The key point is that the gym should not be the only source of physical activity in your life. Instead, it should complement a lifestyle that already includes regular movement throughout the day. Think of the gym as a tool for improving strength and fitness, while NEAT serves as the foundation of daily energy expenditure. When both are combined, they create a powerful strategy for maintaining a healthy body and preventing weight gain. However, if someone has to prioritize one over the other due to time constraints, increasing daily movement may provide a larger overall impact on calorie burn. There are many simple strategies to increase NEAT without drastically changing your routine. Parking farther away from store entrances, walking instead of driving short distances, using stairs whenever possible, pacing during phone calls, stretching periodically, and taking short walking breaks during work hours are all effective ways to move more. Even small changes can accumulate into meaningful increases in activity. Technology can also help encourage movement. Fitness trackers and step counters allow people to monitor their daily steps and set movement goals. Many individuals aim for around 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day, although the exact number is less important than simply moving more than you currently do. Seeing your step count rise throughout the day can be motivating and help reinforce active habits. Work environments play a significant role in daily movement levels. Office jobs often involve long hours of sitting, which reduces NEAT dramatically. However, there are ways to counteract this. Standing meetings, walking discussions, stretch breaks, and adjustable desks can help employees stay more active during the workday. Even getting up every 30 minutes to move for a minute or two can make a difference. Another powerful approach is to redesign your environment to encourage movement. For example, placing commonly used items farther away can require you to stand up and walk more often. Choosing stairs over elevators, keeping exercise equipment visible, or organizing your workspace so that you must stand occasionally can all increase daily activity. Social activities can also support higher NEAT levels. Instead of meeting friends solely for meals or sitting activities, consider walking together, exploring parks, or participating in active hobbies. Activities like dancing, hiking, playing casual sports, or even visiting large markets or shopping centers can involve significant movement without feeling like exercise. Over time, these small behavioral shifts can transform your lifestyle. The goal is not to obsess over every step or movement but to create an environment where being active becomes the default. When movement is naturally integrated into your daily routine, maintaining a healthy body becomes much easier. Another important point is that NEAT often declines when people diet aggressively. When calorie intake drops too low, the body sometimes compensates by reducing spontaneous movement. People may feel more tired, sit more often, and move less without realizing it. This reduction in NEAT can slow down fat loss and make dieting more difficult. Being aware of this effect can help individuals consciously maintain their daily movement even when reducing calories. Ultimately, the biggest lesson from understanding NEAT is that health and fat loss are influenced by what you do throughout your entire day, not just during your workouts. While the gym can certainly help improve strength and fitness, the foundation of an active lifestyle comes from consistent movement in everyday life. Walking, standing, cleaning, stretching, and simply avoiding long periods of sitting can collectively burn a large number of calories and support long-term health. When you start paying attention to your daily movement, you may realize that there are countless opportunities to be more active. The goal isn't perfection or constant motion. It's about gradually replacing sedentary habits with more dynamic ones. Over time, these small changes can accumulate into significant results. In the end, the reason NEAT matters so much is because it reflects the way our bodies were designed to function. Humans evolved to move frequently throughout the day, not to remain seated for most of our waking hours. By bringing more natural movement back into our daily routines, we align our lifestyles more closely with our biology. So the next time you think about improving your health or losing weight, remember that the gym is only part of the equation. The real secret often lies in the small movements you make from morning until night. Every step, every stretch, every walk, and every chore contributes to your overall activity level. When these movements become part of your daily rhythm, they create a powerful foundation for a healthier and more active life.